probably wondering what recipes to make for your kids this summer. Well, here is a perfect recipe that you can make in minutes. This is mug cake 2 ways. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the chocolate chunks mug cake, take 2 tablespoons of Maida or all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 3 tablespoons sugar. Mix the dry ingredients first. Now that we have mixed all the dry ingredients, next I'm going to add the wet ingredients, starting with 3 tablespoons of butter. Now this is melted butter. Add 3 tablespoons of boiled milk. Now all the ingredients have to be at room temperature before adding them into the cup. 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence. Use a fork to mix everything together. It's mixed well. I'm going to place small bits of chocolate in the center. Gently press it inside and cover it with the batter. Now I'm going to keep the mug in the microwave and microwave it for 1 minute and 30 seconds on high. The chocolate chunks mug cake is ready to be served. Serve it warm. For the cookies and cream mug cake, I am taking 3 tablespoons of Maida or all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients first. Now I am going to add the wet ingredients. For this, add 2 tablespoons melted butter. Add 3 tablespoons of boiled milk. Now all the ingredients have to be at room temperature before adding them into the cup. 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix everything. Now I'm going to add the cookies. Just break them into small pieces. I've added 2 cookies. Just mix them. And microwave it for 1 minute and 30 seconds on high. The cookies and cream mug cake is ready to be served. So there you go, here are these 2 delicious mug cakes that we've made today. I'm sure you guys are waiting to try it, so definitely do try and enjoy this summer with these delicious mug cakes. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Frames.